Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the page color on Google Sites. It's, super quick and easy, and yeah, it really helps make your site pop. First, go ahead and open your Google site by clicking on the site you want to edit. Next, click the Edit button or the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. This puts your site into edit mode. Once in edit mode, go to the page you want to change, then click the Settings menu, usually a gear icon, to access page settings. Now, under the page settings, find the color section. Click the color box and choose the color you like for your page background. Finally, hit Apply or Done to save your changes. And don't forget to publish your site so everyone can see the new page color. And that's it. Your page now has a new color. Pretty simple, right? Thanks for watching, and make sure to, like and subscribe for more quick Google Sites tips.